with intercepts, the x and y intercept, right? X intercept. So let's say you have, this is the y-intercept, this is the x-intercept, right? We're looking at where the graph cuts the x-axis. So back to our basics. Let's get to our basics. Get to our basics. Basics. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. So it means that you have, let's create a line. There's your f of x. F of x. Let us say f of x is equals to x plus 4. Right, so if it's x plus 4, I have the y-intercept here. This is going to be 4. The x-intercept is going to be -4. Good. Now, when you are calculating for x-intercept, right, y is equal to 0. You make this thing from the equation. This is going to be f of x equal to x plus 4. So y is 0. Here I'm going to place a 0. This is equals to x plus 4. Then I take that thing that side, it's -4. X is equal to -4. Therefore, the coordinates, it's -4 is to 0. Here are the coordinates here. That's the intercept, where y is equal to 0 here. Here, on the Cartesian plane, x is always 0. That's the equation. X is always 0 here. So let us say y-intercept. X is equal to 0. We want to calculate it algebraically. This is graphically. This is +4. So I'm going to have f of x, f at 0 actually, which is 0 plus 4. Or I can say y is equal to 0 plus 4, which gives y be equal to 4. The coordinates of the y-intercept is 0 is to 4. Same thing here. F at 0 is equals to 4. So that's the y-intercept. You have 0 and 4. That is for the intercepts. Now let's get to the questions of from the exam. Right, that's the hyperbola. I gave an example with using a straight line. The same thing. So x-intercept. So the value of y has to be equal to 0. So I have 0 being equal to -3 all over x plus 2 plus 1. So -1 is equal to -3 all over x plus 2. Then this is all over 1. I cross multiply. Right? Cross multiply. That's the simplest way to solve this thing. I cross multiply. So I'm gonna have negative x negative, let me write it properly there, negative x, then -2 equal to -3. So I have negative x equal to -1. Therefore, the value of x is going to be a +1. Then my intercept is 1 is to 0. Then when I calculate the y-intercept, the value of x now is becoming 0. Right, so I'm going to have y is equal to -3 over 0 plus 2 plus 1. So this gives me a -1 over 2. It's my final answer. So I have the coordinates, which is 0 is to -1 over 2. And that is it for the x-intercept and y-intercept. So always remember x at the x at x-axis. Where the graph cuts the x-axis is the x-intercept. Where the graph cuts the y-axis is the y-intercept.